Hey, this is Shawnshawn. I want to give you a tip of the day. That is, always have a backup plan. So in many cases, you can have maybe two versions of a tool. So if it breaks, you can always have you can fall back on it. So this is really good in the case of, say you need batteries for a show, have a second set in case your batteries die, you forget to charge them. You already have a fresh pack of batteries there. You can have a second pencil if you have two pencils. Anything that's cheap and you really can have two of instead of one of as a backup. That's always what you want to have. This will save you, especially in kind of planning. You might have two calculators instead of one, like maybe on your iPhone, but you also have a second calculator. You might have two books of receipts in case you run out of one. You already have the second book there in an art show. You might have more cash on hand than you think you need. Like I know in my cash box, I have tons of coins and lots of ones, lots of fives, lots of tens. Not too many bills, but just enough to carry me through. You might want to have a backup app. So if PayPal goes down, maybe you want to have Square as a backup. So always think in your mind how to have a backup plan, and this will really save your butt in many situations as an artist.